Most guests walk right past it without ever knowing the magic inside. But tucked away in the corner of Town Square is one of the most quietly meaningful spots in all of Walt Disney World, Engine Company 71 Firehouse. Want to know what Firehouse patches from around the country are doing here and what this building meant when the park first opened in 1971? Stick around, this hidden gem has a story worth sharing. Hey Disney fans, welcome back to Finding Your Disney, your go-to for great information and amazing stories behind the magic. I'm Rachel, and today we're diving deep into a truly special corner of Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, the Engine Company 71 Firehouse in Town Square. It sits just to the left as you enter Magic Kingdom at the corner near the barbershop. While many people breeze by on their way to the castle, this little building tells a huge story and holds quite a tribute to real-life heroes and a nod to Disney heritage. We're going to uncover its history, explore its incredible memorabilia, and reveal the touching reason behind those hundreds of patches on the walls. Get ready to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because you won't look at this firehouse the same way again. First things first, let's talk about the name, Engine Company 71. It's not just a random number, it's a direct and permanent homage to the year that Magic Kingdom first opened its gates, October 1st, 1971. Walt Disney World was a monumental achievement, and this firehouse stands as a subtle yet powerful tribute to that inaugural year. It's a little detail, but it speaks volumes about Disney's dedication to its own rich history. So what was it like inside Engine Company 71 when the park first opened its doors in 1971? In its earliest days, the firehouse primarily served to reinforce the turn-of-the-century American town theme of Main Street, U.S.A. You would have seen an antique fire engine, classic firefighting equipment, think old-fashioned buckets, axes, and helmets, all designed to transport you back in time. It wasn't a highly interactive attraction then, but rather meant to represent the spirit of community and safety, values that Walt Disney himself deeply admired in a charming bygone era. Over the years, this space has evolved. For a period, it served as the recruitment center for the popular interactive game Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom. But thankfully, it's now returned to its roots, as a showcase for firefighting history and a place of quiet reflection. Today, you may still find that magnificent antique fire engine, but definitely vintage firefighting gear all around, maintaining that classic Main Street charm. But for many, the true heart of Engine Company 71 lies in what adorns its walls. Hundreds, if not 1,000 patches from fire departments across the United States. This isn't just decoration, it's a profound tribute. You might wonder, how did these patches come to be here? For many years, Disney had a tradition where firefighters visiting the Magic Kingdom could actually donate their department's patch. It was a way for these brave men and women to leave a piece of their legacy, to share their pride in their service with the magic of Disney. It created an incredible living tapestry of the selfless dedication found in fire departments nationwide. Each one of these patches represents a story, a team, a community. It's a quiet testament to the courage, commitment, and brotherhood of firefighters. While the official program for donating patches might not be as active today, the collection here continues to grow and be rotated, honoring generations of first responders. It's a powerful reminder that even in the most magical of places, there's a deep respect for real-world heroes. Beyond the incredible patch collection, take your time to truly explore the other memorabilia. You'll find vintage fire helmets, antique hoses, historic photographs, and even displays that hint at the everyday life of a firefighter from a bygone era. It's a wonderful educational opportunity, especially for younger park goers, to learn about a vital public service in a fun, engaging way. Disney Imagineers are masters of detail, and the firehouse is no exception. Look closely at the architecture, the carefully selected props, and even the sounds you might hear. They all contribute to an immersive story of Main Street, U.S.A., a place built on the idyllic vision of early 20th century America. So the next time you find yourself strolling down Main Street, USA, don't just rush past. Take a moment, step inside Engine Company 71. Take in the history, admire the dedication, and appreciate this truly unique tribute to the unsung heroes of our communities. It's more than just a building, it's a living museum of bravery and service, quietly nestled in the heart of the most magical place on earth. Thanks so much for taking this journey with me into one of Magic Kingdom's often overlooked spots, Engine 71 Firehouse in Town Square. It's a fantastic example of how Disney weaves depth and detail into every corner of their parks. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more Finding Your Disney. Do you know a firefighter who loved to see their patch on these walls? Or have spotted one from your hometown? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep making magic wherever you go. See you in the next video.